Hey, this is Troy from Playtime Engineering, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can record music from your Blipblox onto your computer. This is a pretty easy process, and it's just a fun way to record your sounds and to share them, turn them into MP3s, and just maybe even edit them a little bit in some music editing software. We have found sort of the cheapest, easiest way to do this, and we're going to start with the hardware portion. We found this USB audio capture device. So it's pretty important when you're looking for these devices, make sure you get an audio capture device. Something with just a microphone input doesn't really work. So we're going to have a link to this particular product in the description. We actually tried a few different products, and we settled on this one as being the most reliable and easiest to use. So we can take a look at this guy here. It just plugs into the USB of your computer. And on the other side, you have these inputs here. So what we want to do to plug it into your Blipblox, we're going to use this little cable, which is available on our website. So this has the 1/4 inch that goes into your Blipblox, and it also has the 1/8 inch that you can plug into your audio capture device. You can also use something really simple, like this is a headphone adapter jack. So this will work also. If you're using the MyTracks, it has an 1/8 inch audio output jack, so you can just plug this USB capture device directly into it. And then we'll start by turning on your Blipblox here. Here's some music coming out of your Blipblox. And then we're going to plug this into the Blipblox here. So when you plug it into your Blipblox, you'll notice that basically the audio goes out, so you're going to have to route the audio through your computer, and I'll show you how to do that. So on your computer, the first thing you want to do with this particular interface, you might have to do this with other audio interfaces. If you're using a Mac, go into System Settings, search for Sound, and we're going to basically find our audio device. This is the USB PNP device. Here you have an input. We're on the input here. You have the slider here, and we're going to want to turn this all the way up to maximum. And you can see sort of the signal from the Blipblox going into there, so that's a great sign. You sort of know this working there. On a PC, you'll want to open up your settings and find your sound settings. And then here you will see your input device, your PNP audio device is listed as a microphone, and we will want to open device properties, and here for the input volume, you'll have this little slider. You just want to get that all the way up to 100, and you will be all set. So the next step is to download Audacity. So we have a link in the description to download this music software. We like this. This is completely free, and it's a very powerful piece of music editing software, and it's really easy to use. So we're going to go ahead and launch it here. Here under Audio Setup, we're going to click Recording Device, and we're going to want to make sure our USB PNP device is selected. This is the one specific to what we're using. So the next thing we want to do is go into the Audacity Preferences. And here under Audio Settings, we're going to go under Recording here. And it's important here that you have Audible Input Monitoring. So what that means is that your audio is going to be routed through the device that's going to play back while you're recording it. So you should be all set, and then we're just going to hit record here. So now we hear the Blipblox basically coming through our computer, and we also see it being recorded. So this is fun. So right now you are live. You are recording your audio. Use the volume control on your Blipblox to control the levels. You want those levels to be nice and high, but not hitting red too much. And whenever you want, you can hit stop. And then once you have some audio recorded, you can do some things with the zooming here. You can zoom out all the way. You can just sort of select the audio that you want to basically save. Hit the space bar to activate it. And we're going to go up here to File. We're going to say Export Audio. And then we're going to have a file name. And then we're going to have our location here. And format, we're going to just go ahead and say MP3, stereo. And we're going to also make sure this current selection. So this means that it's only going to save the little bit that you selected earlier. Select your sound and this do export. Pretty easy to do. So that's really all you need to do. You are using this Audacity software, so there are a lot of fun features in here so you can do to sort of further manipulate your sound. For example, let's say you want to, at the end of your song, you can do a tools, effect, fading. You can do a fade out. That's kind of fun. Okay, add some professional stuff to it. And then why not have some fun? I mean, you have this powerful software. Why not have some fun with it? So why not, let's try changing pitch. So let's select a section there. We're going to go into effect, change pitch. Down here, we're going to do like up 12 semitones. What else can we do here? Do effect, add some, add some reverb. I don't know. There's a lot of fun stuff you can do here. I encourage you to play around with it. The whole idea with the Blipblox is to try to get your whole family into making music and using these tools. Downloading Audacity, getting a little audio interface is a great way to get started on this. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, just give us an email. We're at info@blipblox.com. Thanks for watching.